My name is Alusain Kanu. I am the AMT for UDC, which is the Aircraft Maintenance Technology Program Director, and also an instructor of the program. We do breakdown projects. We spend a whole month doing that, and then they lay it all down and inspected it, write out the discrepancy, and then they begin to assemble it again. The one engine that you saw there, the one on the far left, is the PT6 engine. That engine is actually completed the way it is. That's how much we can do on that engine. So the other ones that we're looking at, they're still working on it. Currently, they are just doing safety wiring on the middle section one, and the other one on the far right, they're still trying to put the combustion chambers together. Thrust is really what gives the aircraft the amount of lift they need for takeoff and also for staying in the air. Especially airplanes are designed to move forward in that thrust direction because of the engine. The engine is designed to suck in air, squeeze the amount of air, and then bring it through combustion and then blow it out. In other words, we're going back to Bernoulli's principle: for every action there is an equal or opposite reaction. The reaction of the engine causes the aircraft to move forward. The amount of thrust or the amount of power the aircraft produce is what determines the speed of the aircraft when it moves forward. So we cannot keep an aircraft stand still. It has to be moving forward or it has to be on the ground. So that's why thrust is very important, because we can only move forward. Why should you study aviation? Because we provide a student a significant amount of training. So we can take from any level, whether you are mechanically savvy or you are nothing, or you are literally, you have no idea about the smallest tool in the industry. We can make you become an aircraft mechanic.
Basically, if like once they study this career, are they not able to, to pay a house, to have a better life?
Yes, as a matter of fact, the industry is growing, and the demand for aviation mechanics has been surging since the last couple of years. Well, I'll say it's post-COVID. There are a lot of mechanics who already retired. The airlines they're in high demand of new mechanics to bring more planes back into the air, and our mechanics are currently an average $80,000 a year. So we're talking about something of $25 to $38 an hour for someone who is just starting with an AMP license. Right now I have a couple of my mechanics, one in Philadelphia who just took a job and he's getting paid about $32 an hour. The other one here in Washington dollars, he's getting paid $38 an hour. Other mechanics that have left since 2021 are currently making $43 an hour with United. So yes, these incomes are really going to drive them to the middle class. They can make as much, there's a lot of overtime, and the airline is in high demand for mechanics. So basically the workload is high, and the demand for mechanics to even stay on overtime is really a key for the airline right now, so they can get more planes in the air. From that moment that he left Philadelphia to come down here to work, how much are they paying you an hour? $85 an hour. That's why you need to be very, very dedicated to this. This is him directly telling you he's getting paid $85 an hour. He's getting paid more than I am. $85 an hour. Okay? For leaving Philadelphia, and he's gonna get paid until when? Until he returns back to Philly. He never stopped. Round the clock payment. So this is where you are. This is the place from taking you from where you're struggling to where you begin to see life differently.